Ethiopia. What's this back here? It's like a... See, look, is this an apartment complex? Is this where people live? Like, where do people live?
This is a museum.
A museum. See, where do people live? Where's the residential parts of Ethiopia? Or this area in particular?
There are different condominiums or apartments.
I hope the camera's not shaking too much as I walk. I probably...
Bookstore.
I know, bookstore. Let's look for some books.
Really?
Ato, salam. Some are in English. Some are in English. Customer service for dummies. You want to learn about soil mechanics? Fishy. Ethiopia, Ethiopia. There's a song, I don't know, on Hope Entertainment. Shout out to Hope Entertainment on YouTube.
Okay.
And the song is, I don't know what the song is called, but that's the chant or the chorus. And here's the melody. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ethiopia, Ethiopia. And that's the best I can do. Look at this mama, yeah. She's Betam Konjo. And the Baba, yeah. One day I'm going to learn an Amarenya song, and I'm going to sing it, and people are going to think I speak Amarenya. And I'm going to be no, Tinish Tinish. I'm just learning. Addis Abeba University. This is the only time lions should sit like that for so long. When they want to and when they're statues. Those lions in that cage did not want to sit like that. They wanted to be roaming around. All right, signing off.